Hello, Ramcat here. Just wanted to do a quick demonstration on using the warning system. This is for mods and admins. Here I am in a locked server, all alone. Nobody else can join me. And I'm not impressed with myself. I've been spawn camping, and I'm not very happy. And I've been watching myself for some time now, and I don't like what I've been seeing. So I'm going to give myself a warning, which is in the menu there. Sorry, it's number 5. Warnings commands 5, and then I'm going to warn player 4, and then it's just me. So I'm going to say warn me. What have I done? I can just scroll through. Let me know if I need to add anything to this list. And aggressive behaviour. I've been shouting and swearing and writing things with caps and saying F you and doing all sorts of horrible stuff. I can't move. I'm now frozen to the spot. I can shoot, but I can't actually play the game properly at all until I press 1 and agree to the rules, which have just appeared in that little window there. So I agree to the rules, and it says thank you, understand, you can now play. Thank you for being understanding, you can now play. Now, I'm allowed to get 3 warnings, and then I'm going to be automatically banned for 240 minutes, which is 4 hours. My thinking is that that is long enough to be really irritating. It may be that people get banned a few times. It's certainly not our intention to try and empty the server. People who are spawn camping, you know, they're kids. They might just be like little kids, and we do need the servers to be populated. So, you know, like you would, you know, train a dog with a choker to heal. We need to get people to start learning to follow the rules and pay attention to the rules and learn what they have to do to not get banned. Okay, so I've had a couple of warnings now. I'm going to warn myself again because I'm absolutely appalled to say I'm still spawn camping. And there you go. That's my 3rd warning. So my 3rd warning, it's automatically kicked me. It's giving me a message to go to the teamforstress.com website. And if I just go over to it here, hit refresh on the source bands page, my name will appear at the top. There I am. 4 hours. And if you open it, it says SM Warn. That's the Source Mods Warn plugin. You reach maximum warnings, reason spawn camping. And banned from server 1. That's going to be interesting. I would have thought I was also banned from server 2, but that's where the ban occurred. That's what that tells me. I can then add a comment about this. I could say, if he does it again, please flag, and I'll perm ban. How many spelling mistakes did I make? Oh, several. Look at that. See? I just don't even look at the screen. So I can add the comment there about myself. So I've now got a little comment thing next to me. And there's my comment at the bottom. And you can keep adding lots of different comments. And so there you go. So I'm banned. Right, okay. Well, I'm going to delete that ban. Which only the main admins can do. Come on. There, it's gone. And I'm going to rejoin the game. Maybe I need to restart it. I may have to refresh the... I'm just going to restart the server. So that refreshes the source bands. And that's interesting. Team Fortress just crashed. Lovely. Good to know. So I'm on my other screen here. I know you're looking at a grey screen. There's something to look at. Look. Ooh, here's something else you can look at. Just restarting the game. Hopefully I can get in. This time I'm gonna give myself a couple of warnings. Servers, server 1, connect, password. It's not what you think it is. And here I go. Boring. This should all be a thing of the past, this waiting.
Play.
Welcome.
Right, let's let me join. So what I'm going to do is just go, I'm going to reset all my warnings. 2 reset warnings, 1 round cap. And I've had a little list of reasons. I thought that it might be quite good. Imagine you're playing, somebody's got a couple of warnings. Well, let me just reset all my warnings. Round cap has not been warned before. Okay, so that's that. What I'm going to do is going to give myself a couple of warnings here. 4 warned player, 1 round cat for spawn camping. I agree, and then I'm going to warn myself again. For 1 for an offensive spray this time. I'm going to agree. Now, what you can do, and I'm just going to go over here so you can see what actually is being written on the screen. What you can do is, if you go to the menu again, you can check warnings. Check warnings on RoundCat. Check console for output, it says there. Here's a massive list of all the warnings I've ever had. Notice it's recorded all of them. And I've got quite a terrible array of warnings. So you can copy this, you know, stick it into Notepad, post it on the forums. It's all there for you. But it's good, isn't it? It gives you a little table telling you what people have done, and it saves it. Basically, all the warnings are saved on a database, so it's not stored locally on their computer or anywhere at all. It's actually on a database, and both servers are reading that database. So I've been given some warnings. The good thing about that is you'll be able to see that, you know, this guy is just getting warned all the time. Because what will happen is people get warned, they'll get banned for 4 hours, they'll come back, and if they just keep doing it, you know, you'll be able to look back to see what other admins have been doing, which I think is pretty good. But another really good thing about it is that, okay, so I've got a couple of warnings, but, you know, I haven't had a, if you check how many warnings I've had, and you look at the date, and you think, oh, okay, oh, he hasn't actually been bad. He's not broken the rules for like 2 weeks now. He's talking on mic. He's really friendly. He's a chatty guy. Nice guy. I think he deserves to have all his warnings reset. So you can do that by going to, let me just go to a wall. Go to warn player. Oh, 8 back. I want to reset the warnings RoundCat. Now, what I think is quite a good thing to do is that if it's a Friday or Saturday, to give people a treat. Okay, it's Friday, so removed warnings on RoundCat with reason it's Friday, which means, you know, puts everyone in a nice good mood to see that sort of thing happening. It demonstrates that you're adminning and that you're busy and that you're being careful and protecting the server from douchebags, and it's a thing. So I think it's really cool. Please use it. Admins and mods should be using this from now on, and just remember that mods cannot perm ban. They can ban for up to 1 week and then flag it, do a little report. I'd say you wouldn't have to do a report or anything unless it's like 1 week or a couple of weeks, or the key people to really flag is anyone who's breaking you know, the sexist, racist or homophobic rule, and anyone who's hacking or selling websites or put website addresses into the game. We need to deal with them super quick. Okay, that's it. That's how you use the warning system. Enjoy using it. Please just remember that we don't want to get rid of people on these servers. We want to keep as many people as we can. Just bear in mind that a lot of people are coming from crappy servers. All they're used to is servers run by absolute idiots who swear and sort of spray porn and do all sorts of things. The behavior is really bad, so they learn really bad habits. You know, it's a sink or swim, dog eat dog game going from server to server. If they come to our server, they're going to make mistakes if they're used to servers behaving badly. So we just need to re-educate them, not get rid of them entirely, and do our level best just to get them to comply to the rules and realise that these servers have been run slightly different. Anyway, that's my little speech over. Goodbye.